So here we will discuss about the topic arrays. So array is a collection of similar data elements. That is, the elements of the array are stored in a consecutive memory locations and are referenced by an index. So the main definition is it is a data structure used to store a data of the same type. And the main characteristics are all the elements of the array can share a common name called array name, and the individual elements of an array are referred based on their position, and the array index in C starts with 0. So the main advantages of C array is code optimization, easy to traverse data, easy to sort data, random access, and the disadvantages are fixed size. So whatever the size we define at the time of declaration of array, so we can't exceed the limit. So it doesn't grow the size dynamically like a linked list. So the main classifications are one-dimensional array, two-dimensional, multi-dimensional. Declaration of an array. So array can be declared before using it in a C program. That is, declaring means three things: data type of each element in the array, array name, that is valid variable name, and size, so the dimensions of the array. So here the type can be either int, float, double, character, or any other valid data type. The number within the brackets indicates the size of the array. Initialization of arrays. So the elements of the arrays can be initialized at the time of declaration. So when the array is initialized, we need to provide a value for every element in the array. So the arrays are initialized like type array name or size, that is list of values. The values are written with curly braces and every value is separated by comma. So it is a compiler error to specify more number of values than the number of elements in the array. One-dimensional array. So it is a single dimensional array or a linear array. So it consists of fixed number of elements of same type. So the elements can be accessed by using single subscript. So we can see the example here: 1, 3, 5, 0, 5, 2, and the subscripts like 0, 1, 2, 3. So declaration of single dimensional array. So the array must be declared before being used. So for declaring the same data type, name, size, and the syntax is data type, array name, and array size. So initialization of single dimensional array. So the elements of the array can be initialized. So after declaration, the array elements must be initialized, otherwise they hold a garbage value. So an array can be initialized at compile time. The examples are int a3 1 3 4 and int i5, that is 1 2 3 4 5 elements, and float a of 5, that is decimal values. So likewise, character arrays that hold strings allow a shortcut initialization, that is character array name, size, that is string. So here are some examples, and the rest of the array locations gets initialized as 0 means int array, 0.0 that is decimal float array. So this character remains this one. Next is the multidimensional array. It is the array that has more than one dimension. So it is the array of arrays that is multiple levels. So multidimensional array is a 2D array or 3D array. So here two-dimensional array, that is one-dimensional arrays and two-dimensional arrays can be visualized as the plane that has rows and columns. So the elements can be accessed by using two subscripts, that is row subscript and column subscript. So it is also known as matrix. So single-dimensional array can store the list of values, whereas two-dimensional array can store a table of values. So initialization. So 2D initialization is like int a of 2 and 3. So the values is 1, 4, 6 and 2. It is like matrix. So the variable is a 1, 4, 6, 2, and the other two values will be 0. The initializers in the list can be braced row wise. So we can split like this: int a of 2, 3, and 1, 4, 6 in one curly braces and 2 in other curly braces. Array initialization of 3D array. So here 3D arrays means similar to that of two-dimensional array. Examples in test 2, 3, 4. So we have many curly braces with more number of elements. Thank you.